Hey everyone, in today's video we're going into a new Facebook ad strategy for 2018 and beyond. Let's get straight into it. Hey everyone, it's Ricky here from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, and as I said, in today's video we're going into a new Facebook ad strategy. Before we do get into it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates, okay? Also follow me on Instagram. There's a link down below, Ricky Hayes IG, as well as join my free group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, okay? So this is a new strategy that I've been utilizing just of recent, and I found that it's very, very good, and it accommodates my previous videos and a lot of the other things I've done so well that I wanted to make a video for this, okay? So with this, it's called campaign-based optimization. Now, a number of you have probably already heard of this, a number of you haven't, but what it basically does is, this image illustrates it quite well. So you have 3 ad sets, all at $10 each, and that this graph is going to spend $10 each, okay? And the conversions is going to be, you know, skew if, that's what happens. Whereas if you use campaign-based optimization, then what it's going to do is it's going to prioritize the one that's converting the best, okay? So it's going to spend less on the ones that aren't converting as well, so that they can last longer and not cost you as much, and spend more on the ones that matter. So that's basically it in a nutshell, and it's super easy to set up and use. And I wanted to describe this and get into this for you. So you can see here, this is what I've been actually using. And you can see here that this is a campaign that's actually utilizing it. It's only got 4 ad sets in it. Sorry, it had 5, I killed 1, sorry. And they all were at, the overall campaign was $50, and you can see how it's pretty much prioritized the best spending one, okay? One of them's not doing as well, but it's prioritizing that, okay? So, how do you set it up? How long do you leave for optimizing it, and how do you optimize it, okay? Those are probably your 3 top questions for this. Let's get straight into it, and I'm just going to show you how this works. So you jump into your business manager, you make a campaign, we'll call it test. This is all you do. Campaign optimization, okay? So the amount of your daily budget is dependent on how much you want to spend. Now, I don't recommend doing this initially for your 3 ad sets. You want to confirm it's a winner, then you duplicate them out, okay? So for this example, I'm going to say $50, okay? It's just dependent on your budget and how much you're spending on a daily basis. So if you're spending $100 in a campaign, get your best ad sets, duplicate it, and put it into budget optimization on $100 a day for those repeat duplicated ad sets, okay? So this will make a lot of sense in a second. So we call blah, 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 blah. All right, so this is just purely for test, but basically, all right. So you can see how we leave it as lowest cost as well, okay? So you want your daily budget, $50 with that on. So any ad sets within it are all going to have, you're going to see a change, and rather than individual budgets, you're going to see this is a part of a campaign that is using budget optimization, okay? So all you need to do is optimize it. So if you have a campaign doing well, and you have 5 or 10 ad sets that are doing really well, what you do is you full on just duplicate it, okay? You duplicate it, okay, into a new campaign, call it, I'm just going to call it test WC for website conversion. We choose objective conversions. Everything else in my strategy is the exact same, except this one change, okay? And so now we've got this one, again, just purely for test, but we're going to see how it's set to auction. Oops. Sorry, that was because both. Again, just make sure that this is turned on, set it to $50, lowest cost, and you're good to go. Okay, and make sure you schedule your ads for midnight, and that's it. Okay, guys, you just duplicate it and you put it in there. Right, now, why this works so well, again, is Facebook's going to optimize for your best campaign, best ad sets within the campaign. Okay, I'll be honest, I had been a bit hesitant to use it, but I decided to try it, and it's been really successful. Okay, And then I wanted to make a video on it, of course, because I thought this is awesome. And I've only been recently testing it, and I'm testing it more, and it's getting better and better and better, okay? Everything else, you need to make sure that you're doing the exact same. 1 day click, purchase, all of that. Just don't do this for when you're doing initial targeting, okay? Just do it for when you've confirmed you got a winner, okay? This is mainly for when you've confirmed you got a winner. This works for interest targeting and LLAs, okay? Now, with my strategy, it works even better. Okay, guys, so further to this as well, your automated rules are going to be a bit different because it only applies to ad sets. Unless you're using a third-party tool like, let's say, RevealBot, it's not going to really work. Okay, so what I mean by that is if you have your budget optimization of $100, it's only going to be at $100, okay? And it's not really going to scale it. So just keep that in mind. You can change it manually, of course, and it's not really going to affect it. It's just going to apply that straight away. Keep in mind, try and keep it to midnight so that, again, you don't, or just after midnight, so you don't overspend on that budget, okay? But it does work really well. It helps with a lot more automation. Now, lastly as well, comes down to the last part is how do you optimize ad sets in a budget optimization campaign? It's the exact same, okay? So you optimize an ad based on the metrics, you duplicate it and put it in that campaign, and that's it, okay? The campaign will then automatically distribute a part of the budget based on the optimization, and then it will automatically then start spending in that, okay? Now, I don't recommend duplicating it out into another campaign so it spends that. Keep it all in the same campaign, okay? And that's all you need to do. This is pretty much the new strategy that I'll be using more with scaling, more with new stores, clients, all that jazz. This is a strategy that's not just for dropshipping. This is for e-commerce. This is for also lead gen. This works for really any type of campaign on Facebook. It's extremely useful to use, okay, guys? So if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. Just literally whatever your sort of budget is currently on a campaign that you're spending, duplicate the ad sets and make a new campaign called, CBO, campaign budget optimization, and then the name of your campaign. Put the budget optimization on, same budget, schedule it for midnight, get it started, and you're going to see results pretty damn quick, and it's pretty autonomous, okay? It's a really good feature that Facebook have recently brought in. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it from today's video. Really easy one, but this is super advanced, okay? This is really good gold nuggets right there. I'm going to be providing more videos on product research, more sort of getting beginner-friendly stuff as well. Because I've had a bit of feedback that my stuff is more aimed at advanced. I want to try and get the new people in here as well. But if you did like today's video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates straight away. Don't forget as well to follow me on Instagram at Ricky Hayes IG, okay? As well as join my Facebook group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. If you do want all my advanced techniques, all of them are down below in the description, okay? My course is at a steal of a price. So if you do want that and you want to take it to the next level, okay, then it's all in that course, okay? That's up to you. I'm going to leave it to you. But anyway, guys, thanks very much for your time.